Alright, okay, in this video I'll show you how to draw slope roof without using your brain. Okay, I know there are two methods for drawing slope roof. First one is you are drawing simply by taking 45-degree line from all those intersections. That's the first method. And also there is one more method where you'll be offsetting to understand the rough shape of how the roof gonna be like. So in those two methods, you're going to have the rough shape of roof right there in your brain. If you cannot imagine how the shape of the roof gonna be like, just like me, I don't know how this slope roof gonna be like in a plan. So there's a simple method for helping us out for drawing the slope roof. Okay, I'll tell you that. Okay, this architect had already drawn the slope roof. I think it's maybe 45 degree, as I don't know how to draw this. What I can do here is I'll be selecting all these lines. Okay, maybe you will have this offset. Yeah, you can select all these lines. That will take a while. That's the first method. You go and click. That's the default selection method. Or maybe you can draw that in a separate line and select it, right click, not need of selecting, simply right click, and there's an option for quick select. I'll be selecting all the color, having picking up line and the color equal to red. Okay, so you will be having the line, so I can copy that. Copy, and I can just place it right here. This will be the shape, but I don't want to have this. Let me take a copy of this line once again, so that we can compare it. And then just go and delete all these lines. Okay, so we will be having this perimeter, and I'll be joining this line. Okay, so as to make it a single line. Alright, then what you can do here is you can go for extrude, EXT. Okay, then you'll be having a taper angle. Taper angle will be always measured from vertical. So if your slope is gonna be 30 degrees from horizontal, you can go for 60. Or as this is measuring from vertical, that will be always 60. Okay, then you pick up a point anywhere on the screen. Okay, then you can come in here. Okay, before doing anything else, you have to select everything. Control A for selecting everything, and Shift for deselecting. Okay, then delete everything else. Okay, so that my drawings will be focused only on these things. Okay, only these things. Right, then you can come in here in Southwest Isometric. If this cube is not there, really doesn't matter. You can come up here and go with these options here, Southwest Isometric. Next thing what you can do here is get into solid edit. Right now you got two options to do. Either get into face and delete the horizontal face, and this might work or might not work. Okay, 90% it will work. Maybe in some cases, if the slope is too complicated, it might not work. If it didn't work in solid edit and delete option, you can get into face and you can move. Then pick up the horizontal surface here. Make sure that the border is always highlighted, and pick up the first point. And you want to turn on the ortho. That's right here, and probably you can click anywhere right in here. Okay. Alright, the thing is 3D right now. This object, if you get into the property, you can see that is a 3D solid right there. Okay, if you again get into the top view, that is a 3D solid. And first let's check. Okay, this looks almost similar. But right in here, I don't know why this architect had made a rectangle here. But actually, think about it, that will be square. Okay, rest of your thing is similar. Either you can come in here and you can move this part right into here. Yeah, either you can do that, or if you want this object to be 2D, you can match property first thing and second thing. You can do that. Still, this is 3D. Okay, if you want 2D, what you can do here, there's a command called as flatten. Then you need to select the 3D object, and they will ask you to remove the hidden line. Oh no, there is no hidden line here, so do anything, I don't care. But actually, if we perform that process here, your roof will be scaled down, so we need to scale it back. No problem, you can select here and go for align. The first point on this roof will be first point on here, and again second point on this roof will be, you're simply matching up all these lines and points here. Okay, then press the enter key. They will ask you to scale the object. Yes, please scale it. Alright, now you can move the asset here. Yeah, we'll move. Okay, and just place it right here. And oh my god, I think this is overlapping. Either you can align it, or you can go for scale. Select all these things as scale. This is the base point. Reference points. First point is here, second point is here. Then go for points. Then you can say first point is here and second point is here. That is the reference options in scale, and you can explode it so as to get these lines here. So that is a simple procedure. It's quite easy. I don't think it's difficult. You don't want to use your brain, and also it's time consuming. It's not time consuming, that's what I tried to say. And if you want to change up these lines, you can go for match properties, or you can select all these things and you can change the layer if there is any layer. This is all about in this video. Thanks for watching.